Walter Crane. Walter Crane, 1845 to 1915, was a British artist designer and one of the most prominent illustrators of the 19th century. As a major figure in the arts and crafts movement, Crane made a lasting impact on both the visual arts and children's literature. His innovative work extended across various mediums from book illustration to decorative arts, textiles, and murals, emphasizing the harmony between form and function. Walter Crane was born on 15 August 1845 in England into an artistic family. His father, Thomas Crane, was portrait painter, and his older brother, Thomas Crane, would also become an illustrator. Growing up in this creative environment, Crane was exposed to art from a young age. At 12, his family moved to London, where his father died shortly after, leaving the family in financial difficulties. At the age of 13, Grant became an apprentice to the wood engraver, who played a pivotal role in shaping his early career. Under Lython's mentorship, Cron developed his skill in woodcutting and engraving, but it was his exposure to book literature, illustration, and captured his imagination. Lantern, a politically radical figure, introduced Karen to the ideas of social reform and the intersection of art and politics, influences that would permeate his later work. Karen began illustrating books in his early 20s, quickly earning recognition for his imaginative and detailed illustration, particularly in children's books. His first major success came in the early 1860s when he was commissioned to illustrate a series of toy books by Edmund Evans, a pioneering color painter. These books include nursery rhymes, fairy tales, and moral stories, showcasing Karen's ability to blend vibrant colors, intricate design, and whimsical figure. Grant revolutionized children's book illustration with his unique style, which combined decorative elements with a narrative quality that complemented the stories. His illustration for classical tales such as Beauty and Beast, The Frog Princess, and The Sleeping Beauty remain some of the most iconic examples of Victorian children's literature. His work was characterized by bold outlines, bright colors, and a scene of movement and rhythm that resonated with young readers. Karen's interest in the decorative arts was evident in his illustration, as he often drew inspiration from medieval and Renaissance art, as well as from nature. His ability to integrate these influences into his work helped elevate the status of children's books illustration to an art form, paving the way for later illustrators like Beatrix Potter and Arthur Rickham. Walter Scran was a key figure in the arts and crafts movement, which am- amalgamated a re- response to the industrialization of the 19th century. The movement led by figures like William Morris and John Ruskin emphasized the importance of craftsmanship, creativity, and the rejection of mass produced goods. Cons believed that art should be accessible to all and the beauty and fascination should be inspirable in design. In the 1870s, Cron began collaborating with William Morris, and the two become lifelong friends and collaborators. He designed wallpapers, textile, ceramics, and stained glass, always striving to fuse fine art with particular craftsmanship. His designing often featured following patterns, floral motifs, and a keen attention to detail, reflecting his love of nature and historical styles. Kron also appealed his philosophy of art for the people to public works, designing murals, music, and other decorative elements of public space. His work on the decoration of the Whitechapel Gallery and the Great Hall of the Royal College of Art are example of his contribution to making art more accessible to the general public. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.